have such a half-hearted approach to a thing that if you sincerely sort of believed in. So in fact, more than the opposition of the Samajwadi Party or the Shiv Sena, I would rather take in fact the amendments which were moved by the left parties, which was about inclusion of the private sector, the corporate sector in this entire bill, which has been left out completely. It's not just hauling up sarkari babus and lower level clerks, and of course the CBI's autonomy is also not fully guaranteed under this under the new bill too. There are still the government still has a fair degree of control over
Okay, Chakshu, if you could elaborate on some of the amendments that have been accepted in the new bill now. Some of them, of course, are delinking of the mandatory creation of Lokayuktas at the states level.
Yeah, when the bill was passed by Lok Sabha and it came to Rajya Sabha, and the select committee was established to look at the thing. One of the deliberations inside the select committee was as to what is the impact of the bill that was passed by Lok Sabha on the federal character of the country. And a number of political parties felt that making state Lokayuktas through a legislation passed by Parliament may not be the right way to go about doing this. So one of the things that the select committee recommended was actually saying that the provisions relating to the creation of state Lokayuktas should be deleted. But a number of other people also felt that it might be useful to have some kind of a guiding mandate within the law, which would provide for the creation of state Lokayuktas for this. And if I remember correctly, he said that they'll try and address it in a separate bill and see what are the learnings from this bill after it is implemented. A couple of very